This is a fairly flexible recipe and you can alter the measurements as per your preference. You have some mango, chopped mango. I'm going to mash it down to a pulp using a fork. You can use one of those, mushy, sweet mangoes if you have those. I had this firm one, it was not very sweet, but use whatever you have. Next, I'm adding the oats, half cup instant oats. You can also use rolled oats. Then I'm adding half cup of milk. About 2 tablespoons of dahi or yogurt. This is optional if you don't have, or if you don't want to add dahi, don't add dahi. Mix it. Next, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds or basil seeds. This is also optional if you don't want to add this, or if you don't have them at home, don't add. Simple. So mix it real well. I think I'll also add a bit more of milk because this is going to fluff up overnight and it's going to thicken up real nice by morning. This is the consistency you want. And now it's ready. Now all you need to do is refrigerate it. So what you do is you either put cover it with cling film or put the lid on it and put it in the fridge, and next morning it's ready to be served. It's the next morning and as you can see, it has thickened up real nice. Adding that extra bit of milk helped. And now we're going to plate it up. You can use a bowl or you can use a glass. What I'm going to do is I'm going to layer it up because I was just feeling a little fancy. I wanted to layer up my overnight oats. I'm adding some chopped mangoes. This is completely optional. You can have it as it is, or you can add some more bling to it by adding more chopped mangoes, or you can add some chopped nuts, walnuts or almonds, or you can even top it up with more chia seeds or basil seeds. I'm also sprinkling some desiccated coconut because I love coconut. And this is how it looks. You can also try my banana chocolate overnight oats recipe. I'll add the link somewhere above. So initially I'd only shared the recipe on my Instagram and some of my followers tried it and sent me pictures. Here are a few. If you try my recipes, feel free to send me a picture or you can tag me. It's Pratty and Food. Also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye.